Dipping sauce, let's try it. Mmm. I see why they make these. And I see why they're selling them. Oh my gosh. I gotta find out how much they charge for these. These would go on my menu as well. Carrie's there. These are just, I'll give these a big woo! For Ric Flair. These are freaking incredible. Like the spice that's coming out of them. And I like spice. I like hot. This has spice. Mmm. We're gonna make these again. I mean, we've done buffalo chicken. Now maybe we'll do a pepperoni. We'll do maybe a veggie or something. The buffalo chicken pinwheel. So I did an end piece. I wrapped that in. You've got, look at the, again, thickness level. So I don't know that I'd use, there's a crispy bottom, so I like that. Almost the size of a hockey puck. I know when they're making them, they say they want them all even size. That way you want customers go in. I don't say, oh, give me this one, give me this one, if they're all equal. That's what's important. Yeah, I added in some of that sauce to help offset the spice. Those are hot. Woo, 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 woo. Oh my gosh, and I love it. I would sell these. If I had a food truck or a restaurant, I would have to put pinwheels, or a pizza joint. I think every pizza joint is probably going to put these on the menu. They should. Mmm. But they take longer to make. We made 9. I think that dough would make 8. And if you're selling them, maybe a little bit thicker, so possibly 6 to 8 would be that good sized dough. And I can only imagine how many they sell a day in that restaurant. So it would take them a lot more time to make these than a pizza, but still good and worth it. Yeah, Electro, absolutely. We're making a lot of different pinwheels now. Just forget the pizza. Look at this. We're going to maneuver. This is our, wow. Who needs chicken wings when you can have buffalo chicken pinwheels? Pizza and wings together. I made a buffalo chicken burrito once. I came up with that one. I'd never seen that before. But buffalo chicken pinwheels? Oh my gosh. Maybe we can make a peanut butter and jam pinwheel with all the peanut butter and jams that I got from McDonald's over the last, I don't know, month, 2 months. Oh my gosh. Yep. I don't want to do it to you, but I'm going to have another bite right here on camera before we cut off the... Look at that pizza dough. That's the end piece that I rolled up. Let's try it and get a bite of some chicken here. Mm. The dessert pinwheel, maybe some Nutella and banana. Mmm. Whew. All right, everyone. Well, we did it. We did it. Buffalo chicken pinwheels, done. Spicy. This is hot. I'm hot right now. Like, I mean, I'm. Whoo. They are hitting the heat. All right, everyone. Let's get it there. I'm gonna go towel off, grab some more water, sit down, probably eat another 1 or 2 or 4 of those, and then take a break and then eat some more. They've got spice. This is Electro. Like, we're talking like this is. These are hot, and I love spice, and I'm not complaining. These are hot though. They've got, my lips are burning. I'm sweating my thing off. Yeah, this is one for sure. But let's call the live stream right there, everyone. Thanks for watching Sunday. Hope you're all enjoying your Sunday afternoons and Sunday evenings, because it's around 8:30 overseas, I believe. So until next time, I have a feeling the next live stream might be from that travel destination in a few days, but we'll see. We don't know yet. But we'll call it right there. Boom! Buffalo chicken pinwheels. Didn't have that on my bingo card to be making today. Wow. All right, everyone, have a good one. Whew. I'm going to come around and hit the X. All right. This is hot. Oh, my gosh. It's hot but delicious.